Hola amigos, dear friends. I'm Mr. Aurora, your Spanish professor. Soy Señor Aurora, tu profesor de español. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Spanish greetings. En el video de hoy, voy a enseñarte los saludos de español. So, let's start. Are you ready? Así que, vámonos. ¿Están listos? So, let's begin. So, first is Hola. Hola is a very common and typical Spanish expression to say hello. Hola, hello. Then we say, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? So, if you combine this sentence, it becomes Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Now, I will say, I'm fine, thank you. So, I'll say, yo estoy bien, gracias. Gracias means thank you. Now, next is Buenos días. Buenos días means hello also and good morning. Now, you want to say good morning to your parents, your mother, your father. We'll say Buenos días, madre. Madre is mama. Buenos días, padre. Padre is father. Then we'll say good afternoon, buenas tardes, and good evening also is same, buenas tardes. Then we come to good night, buenas noches. So before going to bed, you say to your family members, buenas noches, good night. So if you want to say good night to everyone, buenas noches a todos. Next is nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Or there is another expression also. We say encantado. Es un placer conocerte. Means it's a pleasure to meet you. See, there are so many expressions which have almost similar English meanings. But in Spanish, expressions are different. Next is, if you want to say, oh, I'm sorry, you'll say, lo siento. Next is, you want to say, oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye also has two different expressions. One is a very simple, ciao. You must have heard at many places, ciao. And they also say, adios. Adios means bye-bye. Next is, oh, todo está bien. Everything is fine. Next is, if you want to say, oh, what is your name? Cómo te llamas? And in other words, we also say, ¿Cuál es tu nombre? So there are two different expressions of expressing your name. Now you want to say, my name is Roberto, Carmen, Eduardo, Miguel, Camila. So you will say, mi nombre es Roberto, or mi nombre es Carmen. Another way, you can also say, me llamo. Me llamo Eduardo, Camila, Jose. These are Spanish names. Next is, if you want to say, see you soon. Hasta pronto. Then we say, see you later. Hasta luego. Oh, if you want to say, see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Mañana is morning. Now you want to say to your friend, oh, see you next week. Hasta la semana próxima. Semana means week. Próxima is next or following. So if you want to say, see you until next time. Nos vemos. Adios. So let's finish here. Gracias por ver mi video. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Nos vemos en el próximo video. So we'll see each other in the next video. Que tengas un buen día. Have a nice day.